Hey there, this is Alchemist.camp, where we learn Elixir and Phoenix by building things. Today, we have a question from AJMI3388 on Reddit, and the question is as follows. I have a thank you page on my website. I don't want a user to free access it. It should only be accessed after a user has made a purchase, and only once per purchase. Utilizing a DB for that is overkill. What are other and proper ways? And I see a number of different responses here that are suggesting various things, from setting up a gen server to making a success page generated by options passed to the URL. And there are different trade-offs here. And I'll just show how I did it for Alchemist Camp. Just so you get an idea, there is a thank you page right now that I've got set up running locally, just so you can see what you don't want to happen. You don't want it to be shown, but you've got a page that basically says you're in. Thank you so much for supporting Alchemist Camp. If you need any help with your subscription, just send me an email. So let's get rid of that first of all. So I've got a thank you action here in my page controller. Just get rid of that. And I'll also get rid of the route for it. This is my router. So thank you route goes away. And let's look at what's left. In the page controller, I have an action for people who subscribe either monthly or yearly, and this early bird is just because it's a new service. And in the router, those both exist, but only post will go there. You can't get that. And the only way that this can be posted is inside the subscription page I have. I've used Stripe's checkout.js, and you can see here this form action is going to go to /subscribe/earlybirdmonthly, and the other one will go there yearly. And both of these are getting my my Stripe data key and so forth from the application environment. So right now that's going to be a test key, so we can safely go through it once. So right now, this user does not have access to premium episodes. See, I try to go there, it says you must be a member to access that page. So click the member. This goes to the subscribe page that I just showed you that had the forms. And we'll go through one of these forms with a fake credit card and fake email. So the email will be alchemist.camp plus totally fake@gmail.com. Card number is going to be one of the testing numbers that exists specifically for testing credit card numbers. And I can type in any CVC I want and sign up. So after doing this, we'll do a post to subscribe/earlybirdmonthly, and this you're in page has been rendered. Let's take a look at how exactly that happened. So this form that I just filled out posted to /subscribe/earlybirdmonthly. Then in the router, this got sent off to page controller sub earlybirdmonthly. In the page controller, we can see sub earlybirdmonthly gets the user. It creates a subscription with Stripe, updates the user's account, and then, crucially, it renders you're in. And you're in HTML is right here. Looking in the directory, we are in the page subdirectory of the templates directory. So when we render you'rein.html from the page controller, it will look for a you'rein.html.eex inside the page subdirectory of the templates directory. And that's really all it took to render it. So this cannot be approached any way other than coming in through a post. So if we go back to the page where we were, I've already subscribed. What happens if I just try to go to this route manually? It doesn't exist. So hope that was useful, and till next time, code on.